Hey everyone, Mr. Armitage here. I'm doing a quick video on finding the probability from a uniform density situation, from a uniform density distribution. All right, so here we have a problem that I took from our sapling assignment. Okay. Hope you can read this, but I'll read it out loud. Sally takes the same bus to work every morning. Let X equal the amount of time in minutes that she has to wait for the bus on a randomly selected day. The probability distribution of X can be modeled by a uniform density curve on the interval from 0 minutes to 8 minutes. Okay. So what is the probability that Sally has to wait between 2 and 5 minutes for the bus? Okay. Now, if we want to see what that looks like, okay, uniform density basically just means a rectangle, that we have the same probability density for any particular value. So here, y-axis will have probability density. Don't worry about that. Right, we start at 0 there. 1 minutes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we'll just do that. Okay, so the time can be modeled as uniform density going from 0 to 8. So we start at 0, 0, and we can go up to 8. So we have a rectangle here. Okay? Now the area of this rectangle has to be equal to 1. Okay? So the distance, right, from 0 to 8 is a distance of 8, right? 8 minus 0. Okay? The endpoints. Now what we need, right, the area has to be equal to 1. And so area is the length times height, we'll go with, or width times height. Okay? So that means the area, okay, will be 8 times some unknown value, h, for the height here, is equal to 1. Solve for h. Okay, that's just 1 out of 8. 1/8. 1/8. Okay. A shortcut here is to remember that the height for uniform probability density is equal to 1 over the width of the entire distribution here. But now that we have that, okay, we want to find the probability that she has to wait between 2 and 5 minutes. So between 2 and 5 minutes. So now we want to find the probability of this region here. Now the width of that region goes from 2 to 5. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay. And now the height is still the 1/8, so we can just use that. So let's see, x is our random variable. So okay, the probability that, well, between 2 and 5, so that 2 is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 5, right? Between 2 and 5 will simply be 3 times 1/8, which is 3/8, or if you get that as a decimal, 375. There we go. Okay, I hope that helped a little bit. See you soon.